This video tutorial I will explain Spring Security for user sign up. To enable Spring Security, we have to add a Spring Boot Starter Security dependency and JWT dependency in the pom.xml file. Here you can see the pom.xml file, and here you can see the two dependency we have just talked about. Now what we will do is we will disable authentication for sign up URL or user create URL. For this URL, there is no authentication. For other URLs, authentication will be enabled and authentication is needed. We will see how to do that. For that, we have to introduce this web security class. We will see in details. Here I have defined the class web security, and I have applied enable web security annotation. And this class extends web security configurer adapter and provide implementation of configure method which accept HTTP security and configure method which accept authentication manager builder. In this method, what I am doing is for sign up URL, I am disabling the authentication, and any other request will be authenticated. And here you can see the sign up URL /users. In this configure method, what I am doing is in authentication manager builder object, I am setting user details service object and the password encoder which I am using in this project, which is bcrypt password encoder. Now what we will do is we will comment this part and we'll see what happens. Start the application. Now I am sending a request to user create or user sign up. Click on send, and here you can see 403 forbidden. It is not allowing. Next, what we will do is we will uncomment this code and we'll see what happens. I am starting this application in debug mode. And application startup, this web security class methods will be called. And here what we are doing is for sign up URL, we are disabling the authentication, and for other URLs, we are enabling the authentication. And application is started. Now I am going to send user create request or user sign up request. Click on send, and here I got the output. The record already exists, and it is not throwing 403 forbidden error or any authentication related error. The authentication is passed in case of user sign up or user create request. We will try other URLs and see what happens. I am trying to get the user which has IDS1. Click on send, and for other URLs I am getting 403 forbidden, access denied. For user sign up, I am not getting access denied because this piece of code we are not enabling authentication for sign up URL. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.